If you want to change wallpaper on OPPO Find X9 Pro, what you can do is you can open settings. Now over here we should be able to find home screen, lock screen and style. And over here we have some example wallpapers for the lock screen at least that we can immediately use. You can also go to all Flux themes in order to find some more options. But besides that, if you swipe up over here we can go to wallpapers, and now as you can see we have many different examples of different wallpapers that we can use on our phone. And besides that, you can choose a wallpaper from your album, so a photo that you for example took with your camera, you can use it as a wallpaper as well. So in my case, let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here and I'm gonna press apply. We can also choose where we want to apply the wallpaper. In my case, I'm gonna set it to lock screen and home screen. There we go. You might also find some additional customization options over here at the bottom. So in case you need them, then of course you should be able to find it quite easily. And we're gonna tap on apply in the upper right corner once you are done with these changes. In some other cases, what you can also do is you can zoom in and zoom out. Over here, as you can see, we can zoom in and zoom out the wallpaper quite easily. With 2 fingers, you can move around as well. And there we go. We're gonna tap on apply. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.